quick reading for January the 25th to the 26th, Taurus. We have the Queen of Cups, the Fool card, and the Nine of Swords. I think that this is more of a reminder, a message, no? We are going to be triggered by our emotion. And with that being said, hindi natin maiisip agad, no? The outcome, pwedeng ito ay gagawin natin or sasabihin natin because of our heightened emotion. And then it will result to parang pagsisisihan natin, or sometimes pwede rin ito yung bibitbitin natin hanggang pagtulog because probably, no, meron tayong mga masasabing masakit na salita na gusto natin sanang bawiin pero wala na, nasabi na natin. So this for this 25th of the 26th and the 26th Taurus, I think it's much better for you to reevaluate muna, no? Is these feelings makakabuti ba sa akin, yung sasabihin ko ba yung actions ko, no? Or makakabuti ba sa amin? But either way, this is your quick reading, Taurus, for January the 25th to the 26th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.